Hello, welcome to Crypto News. Today is October 5th, 2025, and the top cryptocurrency news is as follows. And we will go straight to Bitcoin, which, although it is the weekend, does not seem to want to stop at anything. The price of Bitcoin reached a new all-time high of $125,707 a few hours ago. The main reason for this rise seems to be ETFs that are constantly pushing the price up. Obviously, ETFs are not open now on Sunday, but since last week, they have had huge inflows. The inflows we saw last week were the second largest ever recorded. As we can see, since these ETFs were introduced, last week we saw inflows of $3.24 billion. We are not far from hitting an all-time high in ETF inflows next week, as we only need $3.38 billion to break that record, and we are already at $3.24 billion. And as we have said many times, now that America is shut down, many investors are looking for a safe haven. Moving on to ETFs, I will tell you that they have also positively impacted FLOKI, which is up 31% on the 7-day chart as Valour launched a FLOKI ETP in Europe for institutional and retail investors. Moving on to our companies, we will go to Walmart. For those of you who don't know, Walmart is essentially a multi-store retail giant in America. They literally sell everything and are titans in their field. They are also slowly getting into cryptocurrencies. Specifically, OnePay, a banking app backed by Walmart, is expected to soon support cryptocurrencies, according to CNBC sources familiar with the matter. These sources say that OnePay will offer Bitcoin and Ethereum to its users later this year in 2025 for transactions and custody. So this is coming slowly but surely to Walmart, as you can imagine. Moving on, we'll go to Solana and Mr. Matt. Mr. Matt is the chief investment officer at Bitwise, a cryptocurrency management firm. Solana is Wall Street's network of choice for stablecoins and tokenization. As he says, really important people are saying that stablecoins will bring back payments, and tokenization will bring back stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate. And here, we agree. Basically, he's saying that because Solana is a very fast network, it seems to be quite attractive to people on Wall Street. For this reason, he mentioned that Solana could be Wall Street's network of choice, not only because it's incredibly fast, but also because it hosts a lot of stablecoins and a lot of tokenization of stocks and other assets, as we've already seen in Crypto News. I'll include his full statement below in the sources for you. Continuing with Solana, we go to Crypto.com, which has partnered with Sol Strategy, a company that has been buying Solana all along. This strategic partnership aims to strengthen the businesses of both companies by strengthening Solana's institutional offerings, especially in terms of custody services and asset claims. In simple terms, Sol Strategy, part of Solana, will work with Crypto.com to custodian their assets, while Crypto.com will bring additional clients to this company to raise more capital and continue to buy Solana. Another company investing in Solana, Sharps Technology, believes that its stock will perform very well. For this reason, the company itself is repurchasing $100 million worth of shares. This is something that, in the future, will make us say it hasn't even started yet. And for the final part of our coverage, we're going to turn to a bank, the largest investment bank in Brazil, BTC Pactual, which has identified 5 cryptocurrencies that it believes are well positioned for profit in October. These cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and Sky, formerly MakerDAO. So now, a bank is telling us which cryptocurrencies are good to invest in this month, something that a few years ago would have been unthinkable. Moving on, it's time to check in on our favorite cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin currently sitting at $124,000. I've put together a few price predictions over the past few days that I know you'll like. We'll start with Citi Group, which expects Bitcoin to hit $133,000 by 2025. Next, we have JPMorgan, which says ETFs will push Bitcoin to $165,000 by 2025, while Standard Chartered assures us that it still believes Bitcoin will hit $200,000 by 2025. Because of ETFs, and because the US government shutdown has everyone looking for safer assets. Now, tell me in the comments how far you think Bitcoin will go by 2025. That wraps up the top news for crypto today is October 5th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.